For reading workshop today, the little lesson I want to teach you is part of what we talked about being the boss of your own reading. Today I want to teach you that when you think you've read a tricky word correctly, you have to be the boss and check it. You can do a triple check. So we talked about how you have to stop at the first sign of trouble. We have to try something and then try something else to get the job done. So now we're going to talk about doing a triple check. A triple check is another tool we have for solving and checking hard words. So we had talked about how we have to try something, and this is how we're going to do it. We're going to check it. This is how you do a triple check. You ask, does that make sense? Does that sound right? Does that look right? So let's practice the triple check. I have a word, a nice long word for you, and since our theme is team, I thought this would be a good word to do because this is the name of a team. So let's look at our first. Let's try to stretch out the word. We have A-R, the pirate A says R. In. Als. Cardinals. Let's do our triple check. Stretching it out. Cardinals. Cardinals. Does that make sense? Cardinals? Does it sound right? That's the second part. Cardinals. Cardinals. I don't know about that, but I do know the word cardinals. So that cardinals. Well, we know A is a vowel, and we know vowels can be tricky. So does that make sense? Cardinals? Oh, I know that word. It makes sense. Does it sound right? Cardinals. Well, I know the vowel is tricky, so it does sound right because I know that vowel can make lots of different sounds. And then does it look right? Cardinals. Depending on where I was reading it, if I read my favorite team is the Cardinals, it would make sense. So make sure when you're doing your reading today, if you come to a tricky word and you are not sure, if you think you've read it, but you're not sure, do the triple check. Does it make sense? Does it sound right? Does it look right? That is how you are the boss of your own reading. Be the boss of your own reading. Have a wonderful day.